Now let's take care of the business side of things, starting with your payment gateway. From your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings at the bottom left, then go to Payments. Here, you'll see a search bar where you can look up the payment method you want to use. Once you find your preferred option, just click Install, and Shopify will walk you through the setup process. Don't forget your domain. Go to Domains under Settings. You can buy one through Shopify or connect one you already own. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over Shopify's pricing plans so you know what to expect after the trial. First, there's the basic plan, starting at $19 a month when billed yearly. It's great for solo entrepreneurs. You get 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, and in-person selling tools. Third-party card rates start at 2%, and you can try it for just $1 a month for the first 3 months. Next is the Grow plan at $49 a month. It's ideal for small teams and includes 5 extra staff accounts, the same inventory and support, and lowers your card fees to 1%. Then we have the Advanced plan, starting at $299 a month. This one's for scaling businesses. You get 15 staff accounts, local storefront support, and even lower payment fees, down to 0.6%. And finally, there's Shopify Plus at $2,300 a month, built for large, complex businesses with custom needs. No need to decide right away. You can explore all of this risk-free with a 3-month trial at ecomsensei.com/Shopify. And that's a wrap. You now have a complete Shopify store with a fully customized Horizon theme. Your homepage, header, footer, product and collection pages, and payment system are all set up. You've got a great layout, modern design, and functional navigation. And with those new AI features, you can keep building without needing to touch any code. If you found this helpful, let me know. And remember, if you need demo products to test your layout, I can help with that too. Thanks for sticking around. I'll see you in the next tutorial.